Congratulations! You are now the owner of a very special water bottle, and it's glass water bottle. And this means you need to clean it, like every day, or do it every third day. Because if you're not gonna clean it, it's not gonna look nice, because it will look like this. And if you're not gonna clean your silicone stopper, mold can start growing, and that's not healthy, and that's definitely something that we don't want to have. So let me show you how to clean it. So come with me. So for everyday use, you can use a normal bottle brush, and if you want to remove stains, you can simply use lemon, soda and rice, or some really fine sand will also do. So do not put iodine bottle in the washing machine because the tech can get damaged, okay?